Acne is one of the most common skin conditions in the world, affecting an estimated 85% of young adults. Many factors may contribute to the development of acne, including genetics, diet, stress, hormone changes, and infections. This has prompted many people to try to cure acne naturally at home. If you are looking for alternative treatments, though, there are still options you can try. Below are some home remedies for acne and facial problems. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, meaning it may reduce the appearance of acne and prevent acne breakouts. Aloe vera contains lots of water and is an excellent moisturizer, so it is especially suitable for people who get dry skin from other anti-acne products. Try cleaning the acne sores and then applying a thin layer of cream or gel with at least 10% aloe vera content. 2. Coconut oil. Like other natural remedies, coconut oil contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds. These compounds mean that coconut oil may destroy acne-causing bacteria and reduce redness and swelling of pimples. Coconut oil may also speed up healing in open acne sores. Try rubbing pure virgin coconut oil directly to the area with acne. 3. Avocado oil. Just when you thought you couldn't love avocado more, we found an entirely new use for them as skin care. Avocado oil is rich in minerals and vitamins A, C, D, and E. It can be used topically to fight off free radicals and achieve radiant skin. It is an excellent source of enrichment for dry, damaged, or chapped skin. 4. Cucumber face pack. This cooling, soothing mask will help smooth your skin, which can feel rough from acne. Mash 1 whole cucumber. Strain the water, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well. Apply to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then wash with cold water. 5. Turmeric facial mask. For beautiful skin, brides in India traditionally use a turmeric mask before their wedding. This is likely due to the spice's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, and its ability to significantly improve the severity of skin conditions like acne. Mix half cup of chickpea flour and 2 tablespoons each turmeric powder, sandalwood powder, and clarified butter or almond oil, and then combine them with enough water to make a paste. Apply and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rub with pressure with both palms and fingers to remove all the paste. Rinse well with water. 6. Ice. It may sound like an old wives' tale, but icing out your pimples can actually be one of the best ways to treat pesky, swollen suckers. Ice wrapped in a thin cloth applied on and off can help to bring down inflammation, as well as over-the-counter hydrocortisone cream for spot treatment. 7. Lemon juice. Lemon is the most common ingredient which you can easily find in almost every kitchen. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which is extremely good for your skin. It can help in treating acne and remove dead skin cells. You can mix lemon juice, honey, or rose water and apply it to your skin. 8. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is the magical solution for so many health issues. It is generally used for weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can be used to fight skin problems as well. It can help you fight various bacteria and viruses, which can stop the development of acne. You can mix water and 1/3 part of apple cider vinegar and apply it on your skin. Leave it for some time and later wash your face. 9. Honey. Honey is another powerful natural ingredient which can help you fight acne. Honey stops the growth of bacteria and cleanses your skin. It removes the unnecessary dirt and bacteria that enters into the skin pores. To use honey, you can mix it with turmeric or cinnamon and apply it on your skin. 10. Rose water. A gentle cleanser for the skin known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Rose water is one of the top home remedies for pimples. It shrinks the size of pimples, slowly eliminating them. In addition to this, it also soothes the redness and irritation on the skin. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to help us keep bringing you this everyday knowledge.